Okay, this is Central Park in Taipa. So we're gonna do a little video about Central Park, and we'll probably just we'll start the video and end it probably here, and we'll just kind of explore this area a little bit. So come on back in a few minutes. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we are at Central Park at nighttime. It's a pretty cool little space. It's basically, there's a big park in the middle, and then you can see all these buildings here, and another block of buildings straight ahead, another block of buildings straight here. So when you're in this space, you just kind of, feels like you're kind of surrounded by apartments, which is just kind of an interesting, cool feeling. But then you also have apartments over here too, behind me. So you're basically just kind of surrounded by apartments. So let's just kind of take a look and you can see how they go. So there's a row, 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 and row. So you're just kind of boxed in with apartments in this space. So what we're gonna do is just kind of stroll around, and we'll kind of walk and show you this neighborhood a little bit. Inside is a park. Let me just kind of walk up in here in a minute. This right here is a trash bin. But over here is a park, and we can just take a little glance at this. There's a playground. It's at nighttime. It's about 8:30 p.m. on a Tuesday night. So you can kind of see that over there's a basketball court, a swimming pool. Maybe we'll walk around a little bit and you can see what's all around here. Okay. Let's go. Maybe we'll go this way. We'll just kind of meander with this as our focus. I have done this something similar, so I don't know if you've seen this video, not this same video, but the same location before. Pretty cool view right there. So we're gonna walk down this way a little bit. Kind of see. Okay. These go into parking garages, so there's a parking garage directly below. This is a dog walking area, dog park. See that, so you can see. There's some restaurants over on this side, Indian restaurant, karaoke bar, mini bar. And then you can kind of see some people, looks like playground, and then over here is a big swimming pool. Maybe we'll see if we can get in the park. So hold on, I'll be, I gotta scan and get something ready for the park. Okay, so we're inside the park, so now you can kind of get an idea. So you got all these different trees, playground, and then you also have a swimming pool too. Piscina. Looks like it's still open. And then over there, there's like a basketball court, but we're just gonna stroll around the periphery part. So yeah, when you're in here, you can kind of see these blocks of apartments, swimming pool at nighttime. I'm surprised it's still open. Tuesday night at 8:30, 9 o'clock. But if people want to go swimming, they can, so. Yeah, and if you're swimming, you kind of feel like you're kind of in all these apartments. It's kind of amazing, actually. So yeah, that swimming pool is like right at the centerpiece of this whole thing, which is pretty amazing. You got some exercise equipment, and you got places to sit. You got a little kiosk so people can sit in the park and enjoy. So yeah, actually, if you were to live in one of these cool apartments, you'd have access to this park. And you kind of got all kinds of amenities. And we're gonna walk towards a library as well. It's all lit up too. Let's see. So yeah, I just kind of got a wall of apartments everywhere. And we're just gonna get over here towards this library. You got some other cool stuff like that. And then this right here is a public library. I can't bring my camera into the library, but I can show you from the outside. So you can see this kind of cool elevator, stairwell. This is for lockers, I think. I think you can put a locker in here, I think. Yeah, I guess you just use it automated and then it'll pop open, I think. I don't know what else it would be. It's an e-hub. Maybe I have to look it up. Maybe I don't know what that is exactly. And then here's the library. So, might be closed, maybe. But you can see the inside of it from up here. Kind of a cool little space. This, of course, is for kids. There's some kids out here. Yeah, I don't know what this super art display is, but let's get into it a little closer. These are kind of interesting park benches right here. Display. Okay, so if you do go into the swimming pool, it's about right in this location, right? Like it's right there actually. But this is the kind of feel. So you're in the swimming pool and you look up and you just kind of see everything like that. Because sometimes when you're in a swimming pool, you know, you're kind of looking up sometimes because you're in the water, right? And then you kind of have this effect, which is pretty cool. Yeah, actually, I don't know how many stories this is. I think I counted it. I did another video that was kind of similar where I walked around at nighttime in this area. Not to the degree that I am right now, but I think I counted it. Could do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, about 40. About 40 stories high. So these are about 40. Those look like they're a little bit taller. But it's definitely pretty cool. Lots of park benches here. And if you can see these trees, they're kind of a nice kind of palm tree-ish thing. We're just gonna keep on walking a little bit. I want to show you the basketball court too. But yeah, it's really a pleasant place to be at nighttime. There's a swimming pool. I think you're not supposed to use cameras on the swimming pool, so I'm not going to focus on it, but if I'm browsing by, it's not much different than a pedestrian, but they don't want people taking pictures of whatever. But actually there's not much going on at nighttime. But that's what it looks like. There's like a little center up there where you can just kind of sit and watch your kids if you have kids and you're bringing them here. Depends. Straight ahead is more workout equipment, more buildings, and then we're going to show you the basketball court too. It's kind of I don't know if it's soccer or basketball. Whatever it is, we're going to be there in a minute or less than that. It's right there, that green thing. We're going to go to that green thing right there. And looks like they're doing some repair. I can see all the scaffolding. There's all this bamboo scaffolding. But we'll see what they're doing anyways. Oh, yep, they're repairing it, I guess. But yeah, that's a basketball court in there. And we're gonna go around to the periphery part. You can see the signs. Baby park, infantile, baby. Biblioteca, library, basketball court, piscina, pool, football. Oh, so there's another one you can play soccer in. So this is the basketball one, and then the soccer one is over here. I guess I missed that. I didn't show you that one. Okay. And I guess we'll end it. I guess we'll end it right here, I guess. All right. Central Park in Taipa. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.